Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Balinese bitter melon salad, or we call it jukut payama urap. So here I have 2 bitter melon, but I only use 1 liter, which is around 400 grams. And for the spice, I'm going to use fried shallot, garlic, chili with shrimp paste, kaffir lime fruit, salt, fried shallot, cooked bumbu genep, fresh grated coconut. For the fried shallot, garlic, chili with shrimp paste and cooked bumbu genep, if you would like to see the video, please check the description. So let's make it. The first thing I'm going to do is to cut the bitter melon. Clean the seed. And now I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. And I'm going to put the steamer now. When the steamer is ready, and we're going to steam this for 5 minutes. While I'm waiting the steamer ready, I'm going to wash the bitter melon first. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. It's been washed, and now I'm going to rub with little bit of salt each of the bitter melon. And after that, we're going to steam them. See you in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and it's ready. So we need to cool it down until really cool, and after that we will slice it and mix with all the spice. Now it's cool enough. You can see I can handle it with my hand very easily, and we're going to slice it. Not too thin and not too thick. So about this wide. And now I'm going to add 50 grams of fresh grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of fried shallot, garlic, chili with shrimp paste sambal, four tablespoons of bumbu genep. 1, 2, half kaffir lime fruit, don't use the seed, just the juice, 2 tablespoons of fried shallot. I'm going to use the rest for garnish, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. The taste of this vegetable is quite bitter, but actually that's make the vegetable so special. Let's plate it. Here we are, Balinese bitter melon salad. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and see you next time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.